Project Lychgate mapping engine. So I'm adding voice to these videos now, so I can explain what I'm doing and what's going on. Yes, I'm using an AI to do these. I don't have a microphone or proper setup, so using what I have. I'm using my own custom-built text-to-speech narrator app I made in Electron that uses coq-ui as its core engine. Now, that information aside, this is the next version of the map engine. Some super generic camera controls in the upper left. Camera in and camera out affect the player view. Map in and map out affect the minimap. Next panel is the world editor. This lets me edit the game while I'm playing and testing it. Instead of using a bunch of different tools, I want to include all my editors within the game itself. We'll go over that when it's time. Not yet. OK, upper center is the quests box that's fairly unused. It reminds me that I really need to add a menu and the ability to turn off all these dang windows. Upper right is the mini-map. It's kind of wonky right now. That edge that takes up about 50% of the mini-map, that's the PNG overworld file that it uses for biomic data. Each pixel creates an 8x8 grid of tiles for the map engine. You can see in the center around Mr. Admin the cobblestone square, the lava, and the water tiles. Obviously that part is not randomly generated. The world is fully editable, even in its randomized state. And so I can make changes in hand-draw areas. When nothing is in the hand-drawn file, then it uses the random biome generation for the map. Okay, right side is the vision controls. These need some more work too, but it will allow me or the player to customize the vision of each actor. Bottom left is general text span giving the world state. Next to that is the time of day controls. I now have it set to noon and paused for testing. Next to that is the audio controls. Claude made some really good rain sound, though I'm pretty sure Claude has those lightning bolts chasing me. Plus there's no thunder rumbling sound. That aside, I think the rain looks really good. Next to that is the layering system, so I can turn on and off each layer for testing. In the lower right corner we have the cloud and weather controls. This will be expanded on later. Water puddling systems. Snow and more will be added. The weather is important because, while this isn't meant to be a survival game, survival will be an important part of the game. Okay, last box is the world state box. Pretty much the save game menu. So what this update is really showing that's different from the previous voiceless video is pulling pixel data from the biome image and translating that into the randomized world map, plus the handcrafted portion of the map where I will build the actual story for game. That's all for now. If you have any comments or questions, do so below.